today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Big Bear, the Bear in the house. How's everybody out there doing on this explosive week of watching my video, real, raw, and uncut? But before we get to it, if you guys want to have a Bear Crew official shirt, go ahead and hit the link down at the bottom of the video description, and it takes you right there on my tpublic.com store, and you can actually be down with the Bear and get you a Bear Crew official shirt of all kinds of colors. It just don't come in red. It comes in purple, pink, whatever your colors may be. But for Feather, L, Del, Bell, Tell, Hell, Do, Real, Raw, and Uncut, we got the new Fifine right there, AM8 recording and streaming mic, RBG, Real, Raw, and Uncut. But this is an XLR mic. Real, raw, and uncut, meaning you can have an XLR interface with this microphone to have more crispy, precise sound. Anyways, if you don't want to use XLR, you can also use the USB-C connector as well with this microphone. So yeah, the reason why I picked this microphone up is because I wanted to update my stream this year, Real, Raw, and Uncut, over there at my Twitch channel called Big Bear the Bear. So make sure you guys go over there and follow me if you guys want to see any more live streams of Call of Duty and you know, some Nintendo Switch games that I've been playing as well. But anyways, y'all, rate, comment, subscribe. Like I said, we're gonna do a great magnificent unboxing and see what we got going on in this fine wine and dine Fifine right there, AM8 XLR microphone. Let me take it out, real, raw, and uncut. Oh, and by the way, if you also want to buy the same microphone that I got, go down to the video description link and go to my Amazon affiliate store, because I put every items in my store that I buy. All you guys gotta do is click that link and buy that real, raw, and uncut off there. You know what I'm saying? And you can get all the items as well that I be, you know, showing in my video. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we got going on. As you guys already know, it comes with a stand right here. So the little stand is like pretty cool right there. It's like really small, not too much bigger to take up all your space. And we get the pamphlet right there, as you guys already can tell right here, all the instruction manuals. I'm pretty sure it's going to be actually easier to set up. So I'm assuming it already has a pop filler in the inside, so let me take it out and see. First, let me show you guys right there. As you guys already know, I'm liking the way the swivel right here, because you can actually hang. And I have my HyperX RBG microphone already on here, but I'm going to take this out, so I'm going to be using this in my stream, as you guys are going to see. Real, raw, and uncut. Still have to buy me an XLR interface to actually use it, so I cannot wait. So, but right now, let's put it on here and see if it actually fits. And I'm pretty sure. Okay, it goes easier in here, as you guys can see. Oh man, this is pretty cool. And it has the you know, where you could like change the lights right there, and the, you know, all the, you know, great buttons, from the volume button and the mic gain buttons, real, raw, and uncut. I'm gonna plug it up real quick and show you guys what we got going on in this Fifine microphone, this AM8 microphone. So here we go. We got the cord right there, as you guys can see, USB-C. All right, are you guys ready? We got the Fifine AM8 XLR gaming microphone by Fifine. Yeah, y'all, you guys already know how it looks. It looks really nice, real, raw, and uncut. As you guys can see right there, it has the mute button. As I push it right here, as it turns red right there for mute, and you can turn it back on to have your volume going. Down here, it has a touch of RBG lighting. As you guys can see, it is changing different type of colors. On the other side, where it has the volume buttons, it also has another button where you can actually change the RBG lights to your specification of what color. I'm liking the plate thing down here, which, you know, holds the whole microphone up. You can also unscrew this and put it on a mic boom to have it hanging down, which is a really cool feature that Fifine is bringing with this XLR microphone as well. I'm going to turn it around and show you guys the other part of this microphone. I would put it down there, but I'd rather show you guys. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned for me to use this microphone in my streams on my Twitch channel called Big Bear the Bear. Go over there and subscribe. Also, like I said, y'all, make sure you guys go down in the video description and hit my Amazon affiliate store with the link with this microphone into it as well, so you guys can actually get one like me, real, raw, and uncut. Let me turn it around right here. I'm liking the way it swivels real smooth. on both sides you can actually unscrew these, and it's not really tight. So as I turn it around, I'm gonna show you guys the top of the microphone right here as it shows you. So right here is where you can actually change the RGB lighting. See right there? Wow, it's cool. Then you have the volume. Then you have the mic grains where you can turn up and down to have the, you know, your different type of sounds of what you want. Now right here in the back, right there, you can actually hook this up and have this mic playing with regular USB. It's USB-C right there, connecting to the regular USB inside your computer, MacBook, PS5. I'm hearing that it's not Xbox compatible, which, you know, it sucks, but hey, you can still use it through your OBS while playing, you know, through your Xbox as well. But here's the main specifications with the XLR. So you can have an XLR cable with an XLR interface to use, which I'm gonna pick up later on. So what's going on, y'all? You guys already know I'm back at it again, giving you guys a clarification sound with this XLR AM8 gaming podcast streaming microphone is what we using right about now. Can you guys hear the sound? Let me know. Give me a lot of thumbs up on this video. Spread this video around. Real raw and uncut. Now let me turn it up and down to see if it's actually, you know what I'm saying, working. You know what I'm saying? Because we got to put it up in here to let everybody know that this microphone is going to be really good for podcasting, whatever you may need. So let me know if you guys can hear it real raw and uncut. Pretty so far, I am like really impressed about this microphone, and I am going to be using it on my Twitch channel, real raw and uncut, called Big Bear the Bear. Now let me see some mic grains here and there. Let me turn it up and down and see what we got going on. Real raw and uncut out there. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitch, Big Bear the Bear. Also my TikTok called Big Bear the Bear. If you guys want to see any more of me doing other stuff on my social media. Now we're gonna pause it in and out and see what we got going on. Okay, hold up. I gotta find out where the button's at, because the mute button's at the bottom of the microphone. Here we go. Cut out. So yeah, there we go right there, real raw and uncut. And like I said, y'all, if you guys want to have this microphone, go into the bottom of the video description in my Amazon affiliate store to actually purchase this microphone too. Also with this beanie cap that I'm wearing. And also, if you guys want a Bear Crew official shirt, hit the bottom of the video description in my tpublic.com and get you a real raw and uncut shirt. And if you don't have a real raw and uncut shirt from the Bear Crew, stay your butt on home. And like I said, y'all, thank you for checking out my video, and you guys come along for my next video. Oh yeah.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.